I'm gonna do a Glamlite unboxing. Girl, I've been wanting to try this brand for years, since they first started, I think 2018 or 19 or 2017, I don't know. But when they first came out with their paint palette, their burger palette, their pizza, all the food palettes, I was like, I want them all, but I couldn't get them, and they're pretty expensive to me because I just buy drugstore palettes, because her palettes are like 20, 30, 40, $50. I'm like, oh no girl, that's too much for me. But there was like a 40% off sale like 2 weeks ago. I think it was for Labor Day, I'm not sure, because all the brands are having sales in the beginning of September or the second week. So I was like, I need to hurry up and get some. And tell me why when I go to the website, the palettes I wanted were sold out. The taco and the burger. Oh no, the pizza and the taco. Yeah, those two were sold out. I was like, why? Like, and they were both on sale. They were both like $15. That's why everybody got too excited and bought it really fast. And it's usually around 4 when I go shop at these websites or whatever, because that's when I have free time, because I be doing stuff. I should be in the morning literally buying stuff instead. And it was like a Thursday or Friday, I can't remember. It's usually the same days too when I order stuff. It's so weird. Anyway, so finally I got some stuff, at least one few stuff for me, and I also got stuff for you guys. So I'm gonna do a giveaway, so y'all better enter. So yeah, I was gonna keep everything for me, to be honest, but I was like, you know what, I kind of feel like I should give away stuff, you know. And so yeah, let me stop talking. Okay, so I'm over. So it's a big box, and it's the address. I like that they show the price and what I bought and everything, because the other brands, when I do unboxings, they don't say how much I spent. So I can help y'all if y'all are interested, like how much it costs and all the freaking boring stuff. Well, not boring, but you know, it's very helpful. Okay, so whatever. Ooh, okay, never mind. I want to keep it. I don't want to give it away anymore. Look, it comes with the freaking cereal box. The packaging is so cute. Let me open it. It's because this is one of my favorite cereals ever, and cornflakes, the plain ones you put with banana, eat it like that. Or sometimes if I wanted frosted flakes, I would just put sugar on the cornflakes, because there was no frosted flakes. I feel like every Latino household, Hispanic household has this and always sees these, or the basic original cornflakes with no sugar, with banana. That's how we eat it most of the time. So obviously this is nostalgic and iconic. I try not to eat this because it has a lot of sugar, but sometimes, in a while, I eat cereal, but I don't really crave it as much as when I was younger. Maybe because I would eat it a lot when I was a kid and teenager, you know. So, but anyway, it looks like the box, cereal box, but it says the ingredients, everything. I can't really show you. So. Oh, the patterns. I don't know how she has not been sued yet, because I don't think this is legal to be putting other brands' name brand and then selling it, making money. I don't think that's safe. I don't know how she's able to not get sued if she's selling other brands. I don't know if the person died from this company or she has permission, because I wouldn't have the balls to do that, because I wouldn't want to get sued, you know. Imagine if she would have changed the letter, like Elf Cosmetics, their cookies and cream collection, they don't put cookies and cream collection, they put cookies and dreams collection, so they don't get lawsuits. She should do the same, but I guess she doesn't care. She hasn't had a problem with it, I guess, but anyway. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to open the box, because if I'm gonna give it away, it's supposed to be brand new, but I kind of want to open it and show it to y'all, but I'm gonna probably put a picture here from like her Instagram. Ouch. But yeah, I want to keep this over. It's because I was initially I bought it for me, but then I was like, you know what? I just my heart told me to just do a giveaway because I haven't done that in a long time. So a small one is better than nothing. So I'm gonna sacrifice myself this time. Maybe I'll get it next time if they're still available, like in the future, when 3 years pass again. Because it took forever, but whatever, right? So, oh yeah, so I got their Glamlite taco lashes. I was like, I couldn't get the palette, so at least I'm gonna get the lashes. So wow, I like the packaging. It's pretty nice. Oh, it's sturdy. I thought it was gonna be plastic, but it's not. It's very hard. So this is amazing. So okay, this I don't feel like opening right now, but they're pretty when I test the brand out, I like to test everything, like their lipstick, lashes, palette, face products, everything. So that's just what I wanted to do for this haul, like buy a little bit of everything from her stuff to see if I like it or not. So I didn't get a lot because she doesn't have a lot of stuff, to be honest. Wait, let me try. I shouldn't be using my teeth. I have scissors here. Let me open it first. Okay, I opened it for you guys. It's a pretty soft, fluffy lashes. All her lashes were on sale. I couldn't figure out which one to pick. I just got a random one because I was like, this is too stressful. From all her collections, all of her lashes were very cheap. Like, let me see, like $3.60 with the code, because originally they cost $6, which is still very cheap. But I was like, I was gonna get excited and buy like a lot, but I was like, you know what, no. No, I need to calm down. So because it's gonna happen like how it happened with Elf. So I was like, no, I need to learn. But yeah, these are nice. These are, I think they're carne asada. Yeah, that's the name of these lashes, which sounds good right now. Well, not right now, it's way too early. But yeah, anyways, so the next thing, obviously I got her highlighter. I've been seeing swatches of the Mikayla highlighter palette, the green one, the recent palette, not this one. This one's, I think, her old collab with her. So I'm thinking of giving this away because the recent Mikayla palette, the green one, it wasn't on sale. It still cost like $40-50. I was like, I was gonna get that for you guys for the giveaway, but I was like, I'm not crapping money, I'm not raining money, so I'm definitely not gonna go bankrupt for this. I say it like if I'm a millionaire, but no, for real, like that's way too expensive for me. I don't even buy those palettes for me, like that's expensive. How do y'all buy these in every collection? That's crazy. I don't know how y'all do it. Anyways, so I was like, you know what, the closest thing to get from Mikayla's collab is this pressed highlighter, and this is in the shade, I don't freaking know, it doesn't say here. And this was on sale too. It was, oh, it's Glamlite Poppin highlighter. Oh, Poppin. It reminds me of Chris Brown. Anyways, it costs $10 original price, so it's not that bad. But with the code, it costs $6, which is usually the prices I go for. I just buy drugstore makeup, so I was like, I just had to. This was gonna be for me also. I'm like kind of sad. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give this away too, because it's gonna be boring if I just give this away. So it's gonna look like better if I add something else, you know. And maybe I even add some other knickknacks. Some random stuff here that I have at home, like probably lashes, or I don't know, maybe. But this is for sure gonna be in the giveaway. So yeah. It's gonna be on Instagram, so check out my Instagram so y'all can enter, please. And what else? Oh yeah, this was for me because I need a red liquid lipstick. I don't have one, Mine's are all crusty and dried. So this is the red velvet lipstick. Is from their red velvet collection. So ooh, it's pretty. This is not my favorite flavor of cupcake. Let's be honest. It's just chocolate with red dye. Chocolate cupcakes is not my thing, but I just wanted a red, so I was like, I don't care about the packaging. I just need a red lipstick. So, which kind of, I really actually don't need one because I bought one from Elf, and I don't know where else. But still, it's better to not have one, you know, because I do run out of red lipstick. Oh crap, what is this? Oh, it's just this. Okay, anyways. Oh, it comes with a mirror. That's pretty cool, and the picture didn't show it like with the mirror, so it's a pretty red, classic blue red, which I love, like these reds. Oh my god. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I don't know, feel like doing a swatch, but let me see how it smells. It doesn't have a smell. So. Oh, never mind. It smells like Rice Krispies, I think. Wait. Yeah. Wow, it smells delicious. Boy, I'm about to eat this. This is gonna happen like the last Glamlite scrub where I ate it. It smells like Rice Krispies. I just love Rice Krispies. I can't eat that a lot. I just love marshmallow like that. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat it. But yeah, it doesn't smell like this at all. But it's pretty sweet. Oh snap. I know I'm gonna use this a lot. That's why I don't feel guilty buying this and these. Like, you know. Oh, and it costs, let me see. This one cost $7 originally, but with the code it was $4.20. So I got a steal for these. There's these prices I can afford, you know. I'm not gonna buy 50. Oh, wait. $6, yeah, it's still affordable. 7, you know, so 10. But anyways, the last thing was not on sale, and I kind of was debating a lot if I should get it or not, because I wanted a palette for me. I was like, if I'm gonna give one away, I better have one for me, you know. That's the main reason I bought it here at the first place. Wow, it's so freaking huge. It's huge. Look. I thought it was gonna be smaller. Let me open this. It comes with a plastic bag. It's their first paint palette. I think this is their first palette ever. I'm not sure, but it's a rainbow palette. Of course, I had to get a rainbow one. These are my favorite palettes because you can use it for everyday or for creative looks or everything. So you see. And that's why I don't feel bad buying it. The original price is too expensive for me. $30 for a palette for me is way too much. I just, like, I keep repeating, but I know. It's just everything that was on sale was either sold out or was palettes that I really didn't want, like the Dirty Martini collection, all of her alcohol palettes. I was like, I don't care for alcohol that much. I don't even drink it, so I was not excited for those collections. And then all the Hershey's collections were at sale, which I wanted to get the purple one. I think it was the special dark chocolate, but I was like, you know what, I heard you use purple and all her shadows there were all purple. I was like, am I gonna pay $15 for a palette I'm not gonna really use, you know? If it was cheaper though. But I was like, you know what, the only option is if I buy the palettes that are full price, that are not on sale, that I kind of pretty much know I'm gonna use or ain't gonna want. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get this one even though it costs a lot. But I was like, that's why I didn't even buy a lot of stuff this haul, even though it was a freaking sale. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get I need to drink water. I'm just gonna get something, so at least for me, you know. So I think I spoiled myself too much, so maybe I should stop. This should be the last haul ever for this year until maybe Christmas. If I can afford at the time. But anyway, so yeah, this is why. And I couldn't decide if I wanted this one or the Paint Pro palette, which comes with pretty teal turquoise shades. And I think it's a little bit no, I don't think it's bigger. I think it's the same amount of shadows, but their shadows are different but the same. They're just pops of different ones. But I was like, I can't decide. I just went with the original. I think this is their first ever palette. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. Since it's the first time I'm buying something for them, I'm just gonna finish buy the freaking original one. I was like, I don't freaking know what the frick to get. Because I'm gonna take forever and I'm very indecisive. I don't know what the frick I want sometimes. So I was like, you know what, I just got it and called it a day and stopped, because I was gonna be there the whole day staring at the card deciding which one to get. So I was like, oh well. So yeah, that's basically all for today. That's all I got. Like one, oh yeah, so this is $30. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. So yeah, it's a pretty small haul. So yeah, I hope y'all liked it. So yeah, since it's Hispanic Heritage Month, September 15th through October 15th, please support Latina-owned business, small business owners. She's a Latina thing. She's a, it says women of color-owned business, but I think she's Hispanic. So yeah, I don't know where she's from, but yeah. I did good in the world today, even though it's pretty expensive. Now I'm me saying that so I don't feel guilty. But no, it's for real though. Like, it's good to help out for this month and next month for those small business owners, like especially Latino women owned, because you know we gotta make that coin, that money, and it's hard out there for us, even more than other people. So you know, I love to help and the best that I can. And this is why I bought this today, and I'm probably gonna use this a lot because it's a rainbow, and the lashes and the lipstick. But the rest, I kind of want it so bad. That's how you know I'm that nice, that I'm gonna sacrifice myself, my pain from not being able to use that. But okay, maybe next time. It's okay, yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. I was blah 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 blah. I'm talking a lot and fast to get things, you know, out of my brain, because that's how my brain works. But I forgot to show you the freaking palette inside, and I didn't know it came with a brush. Look how cool. And that's what happens when you don't pay attention. I think I have ADHD, because what the heck, I don't notice these things. I'm very clumsy, and I get distracted easily. I get hyper focused and stuff. I don't like self-diagnosing myself, but it's been pretty. There's been stuff that I do that I'm like, girl, are you okay? Do you have ADHD or something? I don't forget. I need to calm down, Sonny. Good thing it didn't break, because it came with a plastic protective film. Ooh, wow. Okay, I thought it was gonna look different. I got dirty. Anyways, so this is how it looks. Oh, it's like wood, straight up wood. Even though I can't say that. I can't say it today anyway. Wow, I just want to use it. I just want to lick it. Okay, it doesn't have a scent, but that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to show you on the back. I'm trying to be careful. Oh, it comes with a hole, so like an actual paint pad that you use. Grab it, like, not me being Bob Ross. I used to watch that as a kid, so yeah, you already, I think that's why I started liking art. This probably from watching that show. Oh my gosh, I'm a freaking nerd. Anyway, so yeah, that's all for today. Now, oh wait, no, you see, I need to stop forgetting things. Okay, this is the brush. It also comes in wood, so ooh, okay, that's cool. I wish it came out with more, to be honest, but it's okay. It's okay. It's better than nothing. So I don't even want to use it. That's how cute it looks like. But I feel like this is every makeup artist palette. They should all get this, because we're literally artists, to be honest. Even though it's not a freaking painting, because I think this is iconic for every makeup artist to have. You know, it's just, this is just us. Explains us, and without even saying anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So Okay, I got excited there. Okay, now for real, now I'm gonna leave. Okay, bye.